Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Honda Accord key. First, gather all your existing working keys and the new key you wish to program. Make sure your car battery is fully charged. You'll be performing a series of quick ignition turns, so having everything ready is crucial for a smooth process. To begin, insert an existing working key into the ignition. Turn the key to the on position, then immediately to off. Repeat this sequence 4 times within a quick 10-second window. After the 4th cycle, you should see the security indicator light illuminate, confirming you've entered programming mode. Now, with the security light on, take your new remote and press the lock button within 5 seconds. The car's door locks will cycle, indicating the remote has been successfully programmed. If you have more remotes to add, press the lock button on each additional remote within 10 seconds of the previous one. To exit programming mode, simply turn the ignition to the off position and remove the key. Now, take a moment to test all your newly programmed remotes to confirm they function correctly. If any remote isn't working, double-check its battery and then repeat the entire programming sequence from the beginning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.